You open your English book again. The same words, the same grammar. You repeat, you memorize, you try. But when you speak, silence. Your mouth freezes. Your brain goes blank. Your heart beats fast. You studied every day. You did everything they said. But still, you can't speak. You try to remember one simple word, and it disappears. You smile awkwardly, hoping no one notices. Inside, you feel small. Don't worry. You are not alone. I know this pain very well. Many of my students feel the same. They study for months, even years. But when it's time to speak, their mind shuts down. And they ask, why can't I remember words when I need them? Let me tell you something important. Forgetting words doesn't mean you are bad at English. It doesn't mean your brain is weak. It only means you are human, and you are learning in the wrong way. Today, I want to help you change that, step by step. Together, I will show you a simple way to remember English words and never forget them again. Before we start, I want to share a small story. A few years ago, one of my students, her name was Hannah, came to me with tears in her eyes. She said, "Teacher, I know hundreds of words, but when I speak, they all disappear." She looked tired, hopeless. I smiled and told her, "Good. That means you are ready." She didn't understand, but I asked her to follow one simple rule. Don't try to remember words. Try to live them. Every day, she used just 3 new words, not in her notebook, but in her real life. She said them out loud while cooking, while walking, while texting her friends. After 1 month, she came back smiling. "Teacher," she said, "now the words come to me naturally." So what changed? She stopped studying English like a subject and started living it like a language. That's what I want for you too. Here are 10 ways to help you remember words when you speak English. Naturally, easily, without fear. Tip 1. Connect the word with emotion. When you learn a new word, don't just translate it, feel it. If the word is happy, think of a moment that made you truly happy. Your mother's hug, a sunny morning, a favorite song. Your brain remembers emotion, not text. Tip 2. Use the word immediately. After learning a word, use it within 2-4 hours. Write 1 sentence, say it to a friend. Use it in your thoughts. The more you use it, the stronger it stays. Tip 3. Speak. Don't just read. When you say the word aloud, your mouth, your ears, and your brain work together. It creates memory through sound and motion. Reading silently helps you recognize words. Speaking helps you own them. Tip 4. Create your daily word moment. Choose a fixed time every day, like brushing your teeth or drinking morning coffee. And repeat 3 old words. Whisper them. Smile. You're telling your brain, these words matter to me. Tip 5. Stop translating. When you translate, your brain takes a long route from English, Vietnamese, English again. That delay makes you freeze. Instead, connect English words directly with images, actions, or feelings. Tip 6. Record yourself. Open your phone. Say 5 sentences using new words. Listen to your voice. Notice what sounds natural and what feels strange. The goal isn't perfection, it's awareness. Tip 7. Use small groups. Learn words in context, not alone. For example, instead of memorizing apple, learn buy an apple, eat an apple, cut an apple. Your brain remembers patterns, not single pieces. Tip 8. Forget to remember. Yes, forgetting is part of learning. When you forget a word and find it again, your brain makes a stronger connection. Don't panic when you forget. Smile. It means your memory is working. Tip 9. Teach someone else. When you explain a word to another person, you process it deeply. Find a friend or speak to yourself
Excited.
like a teacher.
The
word
feel
excited
good about
means
something
I
coming.
feel good about something that's coming. Tip 10. Be kind to yourself. This is the most important one. You are not a robot. You don't need to remember every word perfectly. You just need to keep going. Little by little, day by day. When you learn a word, it's like planting a seed. You don't see growth immediately, but something is happening inside. Every time you speak, repeat, or listen, that seed grows a little stronger. One day, it blooms naturally. You don't even realize when it happened. Do you know what's beautiful? You already have the ability. You just need to trust your process. Don't chase fluency. Chase connection. Because English is not only about words, it's about expressing your heart. If you forget a word, smile. Say something simple. Keep the conversation alive. Fluency is not knowing every word. It's having the courage to continue speaking when you don't. So today, I want you to try something. Choose one word. Any word you learned recently. Say it now. Whisper it. Use it in one sentence. Tell yourself, this word is mine. That's how it begins. Tomorrow, do it again. One new word. One new sentence. One small victory. That's how you build your English. Step by step. Breath by breath. And remember, it's okay to be slow. It's okay to make mistakes. Every mistake is a sign that you're learning something new. You are moving forward. Let's make a promise. From today, no more fear of forgetting. You'll learn with love, not pressure. You'll speak with courage, not perfection. Because English is not a test. It's a bridge. Between you and the world. Between your thoughts and your dreams. Between your voice and your heart. So, my friend, don't give up. Don't say, I can't. Say, I'm learning. That's enough. You're already on your way. If this message touched you, share it with someone who feels the same. Leave a comment below. Tell me which part helped you most. And don't forget to subscribe, because your journey is just beginning. You can remember. You can speak. You can shine. Step by step, word by word. Because you are not just learning English, you are learning to believe in yourself again.